Introducing the latest in PureAir technology from Lennox. The PureAir S, the smart air purification system that lets you know exactly when to replace the filter and purifier, so you never have to wonder if the air in your home is as clean as it can be. Air may be invisible, but that doesn't mean it's clean. PureAir technology uses hospital-grade filtration and attacks all three types of indoor air pollutants, capturing 99.9% of allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander, and over 90% of virus-sized particles. The UVA lamp and unique catalyst destroy odors, ozone, and harmful gases. And because PureAir S is a whole home system, it circulates healthier air through every room. The PureAir S communicates with the Lennox iComfort S30 Ultra Smart Thermostat, showing you when it's time for a filter or purifier replacement based on your actual usage. Because the air your family breathes is the most important thing you shouldn't have to think about.